Hello and welcome to our video on how to make straps for our 7121 Givi Lace Dress. Place the strip of lining fabric onto the main fabric strap piece. It should be 1 centimeter less wide, so one edge. Now pin the lining fabric strap onto the opposite edge of the main fabric and sew it together as well. There should be excess main fabric and it should bulk in the middle. Using a safety pin, turn the strap. Then press it so that the lining strip lies exactly in the middle of the strap. This way no seams are visible, and with lace fabrics this method also gives it more stability. Pin the straps to the marked positions on the outer dress. Try it on and determine the right length. Please make sure that both straps are the same length. Secure the straps with seams of your machine along the strap. The straps are sewn right side to right side onto the dress. Trim excess fabric if the strap was too long. Pin the outer dress right side onto the wrong side of the lining dress. Sew the armhole edges and the neckline edges together. At the zipper edges, fold the seam allowance in order for a neat finish at either end. Here you can see how the edges around the zipper look like. Clip into the curves and trim diagonally at the corners. As far as possible, sew an understitch, that is, sew the lining at the edges onto the seam allowance, not onto the outer dress. Turn the dress and press the edges neatly. We hope that this little technical detail helped you with your Givi dress. There are 2 more hacks available on YouTube for this dress. Just click on this screen.